Hey, she's back. What's really going on, my beautiful people? It is me, Victoria Elise. Hello, hello, hello. If you've never been to my channel before, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope you stick around and decide to hit that subscribe button because I would love to have you part of my fam. Hit the like button, leave some comments, talk to me. I want to talk to you, get to know you. I want you to get to know me, all that good stuff. And if you have been here before, welcome back, boo. How you doing? How you living? How you feeling? Today is not, it's nighttime. It's bedtime, actually. It's 8:40 and it is a Tuesday night and I'm up to no good because TikTok has me in a chokehold. It really does. And we're gonna make cookies because I've seen them on TikTok and I want to make them and I want to taste them and I want to see how pretty they come out and I want to take pictures of them. And that's what we gonna do, baby. Cause why? That's what I do. I do what I want. Do what I want. And on my channel, we cook here. Cause I love it. That is my true passion, is to cook. I love to nourish people's bodies and just to see them happy after they taste my food. And I will continue to do that because it brings me joy, baby. So if you want a full tutorial of something being cooked, look at my past videos because there is a lot on there and there will be more to come because I'm not going to stop because that's what I love to do. So with all that being said, let me show you what I got. I seen these cookies on TikTok, right? And the ones that I want to make are Oreo ones and you make them from cake mix, y'all. So I'm guessing it's like a crumble cake cookie. I'm guessing because I heard that crumble cake uses cake batter instead of, I don't know. Let me stop allegedly. Let me make sure I say allegedly. I don't know what the recipe is. So crumble, don't come for your girl because I'm not telling those secrets because I don't know those secrets. I'm making cookies that I seen on TikTok, right? And I'm putting Oreos in them. Honey, look. Look. Make it make sense. Our kids, they said. It'll be fun, they said. They steal your cookies. They steal your money. If you really want kids, that's, that sums them up. I also got some white cake mix. And I got the bougie chocolate Ghirardelli, baby. Even sounds like money. It sounds expensive. The packaging sounds expensive. It wasn't. It was from Walmart. And I got some frosting. I don't know for sure if I'm gonna use this frosting or not because my idea was to just whip it up really good, just a little bit of it, and then use it as like a little garnish on top of the cookies. But I guess we'll see. We'll see. So the girlies have just been using the oil and eggs, but like half the amount of eggs. I would hate for this not to come out right. I'll be so mad if it didn't come out right. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna crush up these Oreos because those are going in the cake mix along with these. I wish that I had some like pecans or something. Pecans, however you say it. I wish I had some because I would throw some in here. Is that too much? That's too much. But I love a little nut in my cookie. I couldn't make it sound any better than that is what it is. Ooh. Use oil instead of butter. So I'm gonna use vegetable oil. We're gonna see. We're just gonna see. I don't really have no, I don't know what these are gonna look like. But we're gonna do it, so it doesn't matter whether they come out or not. Get done. So let's set the cake into the bowl. I wish I could have y'all see better. Oh. And I'm gonna pour that into the bowl. And it's supposed to be real thick. I'm thinking it's supposed to be. It says the stirrer. Because it's gonna be thick, baby. And the girlie said 1/3 cup of oil. Because I read the comments and another girl asked the girl that was doing this. And she was like, oh yeah, 1/3 cup of oil. So my oil is going in. I put the eggies. I'm just going for it. I'm not even, if it comes out good, it comes out good. If it doesn't, oh well. This is like the most cheapest cookie recipe. I don't know if I'm supposed to use 3 eggs, but I'm going to. Woo. Let's give this a little mixy mix. Here, let me show y'all so you can see what's going on in the pan, in the bowl. And I'm just mixing it up. Sit it down so I can be for real and mix it up for real. It is very like cake battery. I mean, not cake battery. It is like thick. So I think I'm doing that part right at least. And I want to give it a good mix so I can get all the cake batter in there before I start adding in the Oreos and chocolate chips. So now we're gonna put our Oreos in. Woo! Now let's do some chocolate chips. I don't want to put too much. I think that's good. I think that's good. Oh, it's so pretty. So that's that. All mixed up. Smells so good. So good. I'm so excited. Like, we'll see how the cookies come out, because that's going to be a bit much. But I can like mix this to get it like really, really soft and put a thin layer. And then add some crumble of the Oreo on top. Yeah. Okay, so I've seen 2 different sizes. I've seen people do the ice cream super scooper. And then I've seen like just, you know, the regular spoon. What do I want to do? I think I'm going to do ice cream scooper. Go big or go home, honey. Yeah, ice cream scooper for sure. Cookie soda pain. I know I didn't space them out the best, but that's what we're working with right now. And I don't know how big we're gonna get. So these are the testers. We're gonna put them in and let them do their thing, and then we'll see how big they grow. Because I've seen them like get fat. So that's why I spaced them so far apart, because I don't want them to get stuck together. Look how big they are. And it's so soft. Like, the texture is wild. For a cookie, of course, like, I don't know what possessed me to do that, but it's light. I was trying to get you to see how airy it was by throwing it in the air. Woo! Okay. Okay, babies. And they all came out like so perfect. And they're still hot. Yeah, baby, you want some cookie? So I have this. And I just put it in here because I want to put it on top of the cookie.
Mom, that smells delicious.
It smells good?
Yeah.
Delicious.
Oh my god, that smells so good.
See, I told you.
Okay, here you go.
What's that for?
Just topping. I was going to put some of this. So I crushed up some Oreos and some of the chocolate to like put it on top of the cookie.
Wait, Mom.
You want to try that way?
Yeah, so that way it could be like an Oreo cookie.
Yeah, and there's Oreos inside of the cookie too.
That's why you said, Ava, get away from my Oreos, girl.
Yes, that's exactly why.
I knew her when you said something about those Oreos. I knew that you were
Okay,
gonna mention
so
something.
I'm just putting this on top.
Save those 3 for Dad.
It's giving me crumble vibes.
What about Daddy?
It's giving me crumble vibes. But better because I made it. Out of 10. 9,999 out of 10. Okay.
When I grow up and I become a millionaire, I'm gonna give you that money that I rated this cookie. No, I'm not joking. I actually will. And then you can get whatever you want.
You want to grow up just like you?
Mm-hmm.
I'm so happy you guys like them. I would show you them eating the cookies, but they just got out of the shower, so they're not ready to be on camera. Oh, there goes that one. Yeah? Good? Okay, so I guess I need to make me one so I can taste and give y'all my opinion. Taste it, taste it. Okay, so we're gonna taste our cookie. Look at how pretty, up close. Eee. Look how beautiful she is. So I'm gonna take a bite. Honey. We're getting no body goals with this right here.
Does it taste good?
That frosting on top? Yes. Yo, this is so good. I'm gonna make more. It's time for me to lay down. I'm tired, y'all. Thank you so much for being here with me through this.